Hi guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy and today I'm cleaning. I don't even know if I'm going to do a complete power hour, but that's kind of the mindset behind this. I need to clean this off because we've had so much rain. It's also cold and I get stuff, condensation builds up on the inside. So I've got some things to do like that. Dirty laundry to pick up off the floors, just regular everyday tidying up things. So I hope this motivates y'all. It's almost Christmas. Some of you are already celebrating your holidays, so no matter what you celebrate, I just want to wish you a happy holiday. And let's go ahead and get into the cleaning motivation.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down. me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though
I don't know if I've said it on this channel yet or not, but all of you that sent me these beautiful cards, thank you so much. I have a feeling I already did, but I just want to make sure. Okay, so that is it for me. If you enjoyed this video and you found it motivating, I would love for you to subscribe if you are new, because I make tons of content for this channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you get a notification whenever I do post. And then what else was I going to tell y'all? So right now I'm just kind of doing the everyday cleaning up, things like that, just keeping it all together, right? And then whenever Christmas time is over, we will get back into decorating, organizing, cleaning, stuff like that. So more variety of things on this channel. But for right now, it's just kind of cleaning. And I like to clean anyways, so it works out. Other thing, I have a vlog channel, if y'all don't know, and an ASMR channel. The ASMR is also cleaning, but it's in real time. You hear the sound of the cleaner, you hear cleaning, stuff like that. You hear all those real house noises, which I find very relaxing. Those videos are over at Kimmy Cope ASMR, so just like this, but with ASMR at the end of it. I post on there in the mornings because I think it's like a great way to wake up. And then the vlog channel is Kimmy Cope Vlogs, and on that channel I do mostly like cooking and grocery hauls, and then whenever I am able to, I will go out and like do shop with me's and stuff, but that's mostly what I do over there. So I do a variety of different things. And yeah, so if you like those types of things too, I will have those channels linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for helping me to get to 13,000 subscribers. We're getting closer and closer every day, so I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, did I say the vlog channel is Kimmy Cope Vlogs? Anyways, I'm going to be posting a what we're eating for Christmas video over there today. So either it's already up or it's going to be up, but the plan is we're not going traditional at all because it's such last minute, and it's just Aaron and I, and we didn't do gifts this year. So I had been like baking cookies and trying to just make things special that don't cost a lot of money. And then we're going out to the grocery store because we're both foodies, and we're gonna get things to make one of Aaron's favorite dishes, and then just some like sides and stuff. We're just gonna have a party and watch like a comedy movie because he's not much on Christmas movies. And y'all, I gotta be honest, I didn't watch very many Christmas movies this year. I don't know what it is about this year, but you know, I'm just ready. I'm ready for the new year to start. Isn't that crazy? I love Christmas. I love everything about Christmas, the reason for Christmas. But sometimes you're just not feeling it. And you know what? It's okay. You don't need to force yourself to feel a certain way. You feel however you want to feel. I hope all of you are safe. I know there's a blizzard happening more north of us. We're in North Carolina. We had some hail this morning. It sounded like rocks were hitting our windows and stuff. So yeah, I am praying for y'all. I hope you're safe and you stay warm and your power continues to run. And if it goes out, I pray that you are able to have a generator or some source of heat. I just pray that y'all stay warm in this weather. I know it can be dangerous, but I'm gonna be hopeful and wish for the best for y'all. And yeah, okay, I have rambled a ton. I will see y'all back here very soon for another video. I think the only day I'm not gonna upload is Christmas Day, because it is just to honor the day of Christmas. Okay, so I will see y'all when I see you. Bye.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting